Now students, see the true false. Write T for true and F for false statements. First question is, weaving is done on looms which are hand operated or power operated. So this statement is true. Right here, true. Second number, when compared with woven fabrics, knitted fabrics are more stretchable. This is also true statement, so write here true. Number 3, the fibers are made into fabrics by twisting the strands together. This statement is false. Right here, false. Number 4, after shearing, the wool is cleaned and spun into fiber. This statement is true. Now next, the cocoon is boiled in alcohol to kill the silkworm. And this is false statement. Right here, false. Number 6, synthetic clothes are stronger and do not wrinkle easily. This is true. Right here, true. Synthetic clothes have more air space than natural fibers. This is false. So right here, false. Number F, find out the words given in the help box. So some words are given here: harvesting, ginning, spinning, weaving and knitting. So look here, the first line is harvesting, HARVESTING, circle it. Another word is ginning. So look here, GINNING, ginning. And after it is spinning. So here is spinning, SPINNING, spinning. Another word is weaving, WEAVING, weaving. The next word is knitting, KNITTING, knitting. So students, your exercises are complete. Now write the word meanings. Open your notebook and write it. Look here. Here are some word meanings. Write the chapter name, fiber to fabric, chapter number 3. The first word is fibers, and the meaning is thin, long structures. Next word, fabric, and the meaning is woven from fibers. Next word is yarns, and the meaning is long thread twisted from fibers. Next word, charkha, a household tool to spin yarn. A household tool to spin yarn. Next word, weaving, and the meaning is process of arranging two sets of yarns to make a fabric. Next word, wrap, W-R-A-P, wrap, and the meaning is lengthwise yarn. Lengthwise yarn. Your next word is weft, W-E-F-T, weft, and the meaning is crosswise yarn. Next word is synthetic, and the meaning is man-made. Next word, combing, and the meaning is separation of cotton from seed. Next word, ginning, separation of cotton fibers. Next word, retting, R-E-T-T-I-N-G, retting, and the meaning is process of separation of jute fibers from rotting stems. Next word, spinning, process of producing yarn. Next word is kapok, and the meaning is silk cotton. The next word is shearing, and the meaning is removing of wool. Now students, write these word meanings, complete the exercises and learn it. In the next video, we will do the question answers of this chapter. Till then, good day.